Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going down to the garage and we have a Mitsubishi Eclipse with a zillion 1 horsepower. No, just kidding, 900 plus. Thing is completely hammered. It's a hot rod, a beautiful car. So more likely we will have to do some wet sanding and whatnot. So let's go down. I'm gonna skip the washing. I'm gonna take you to measure the paint and the correction and the coating. So down we go. Okay, and here's the Mitsubishi Eclipse. Beautiful thing, and this thing is just a complete sleeper. And there you have it, the owner. Check him online. And this thing is just beautiful. Needs a lot of work, but we're gonna get to it. Look at this interior, man. Carbon fiber for days. I'm gonna polish every bit of this carbon fiber. I'm gonna put the boosted. This thing's gonna look beautiful. I think it's 900 horsepower or so. Under the hood, more goodies. Just put together right. Thing is just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I'm gonna wash her first, and then after that I'm going to clay block and bring her inside, and then we go at it. So let me see what the measurements on the paints are. 5'4", 5'4", 5'3". Okay, inside the garage, and here's the, let's see if it makes any difference. Oh yeah. Haha. Yes sir. That's what we have to work with. Everywhere. Beautiful. Wow. Yeah, so let's see what are we gonna do. I'm gonna try different things. But clearly we have a mess. Yeah, we have a mess. We have a mess. And let's see on the side. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're in for the long run on this one. This is gonna be hammer time. Oh yeah, everywhere. Yes, sir. Yes. Okay, well, let's see here. Oh yeah. Other side. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Everywhere. Well, let's start. Decided to try the wet sanded, which I done. 5,000. I'm gonna go with the medium compound and a microfiber, and let's see what we can accomplish with that. Okay, so it looks like we have the combination that we need right here. Transition, spot place done, and this is the rest. And let me see with the light. It's hard to tell with the light, but without the light, before and then the done. I'll show you the steps that I did here shortly. What it looks like now. So I'm gonna go behind it with the compound, a dot compound and the swirl remover. Gotta be careful what pads, so you don't leave any markings. Yeah, looking good. Okay, making the progress. This side done, and wet sanded the other one. I did it on steps to make sure I didn't went too far, but it's looking good. Okay, so a little bit about the process. So the process was 5,000 sandpaper, These are the 3 sack phenomenal pads. So I go with that first. Slow speed, a little bit of the medium compound and swirl remover, mix it together. Then I will go with this microfiber pad on the 3-inch in the 15 Grios machine. Then I go behind with the microfiber coating pad. I finish it with the foam pad and then with a big foam pad. And it's a slow process, and you could do this many different ways, but to me this is a nice process. I can monitor the progress very steady, and it will help me avoid any mistakes that I cut too much or I did some harm. I like the 3-inch because of the transitions here, so you can clearly see it comes alive already. This is a little dry from the compound, so I have to go over. So each one of these steps will get us those results over there. So there you have it. There's other ways to do it, much faster, probably better, but for me this is what I usually use. I'm not in a rush. I wanted to do a good job and slow and easy. So there you have it. So you can debate there is 4 or 5 steps or 1 step or whatever. It really for me doesn't matter. It's the end result. So yeah, so we continue. So we did the 5000. We went with the microfiber hybrid pad, little compound and swirl. Wash the pad. Now we go with the swirl and follow up on those steps that I just mentioned. Oh, a little bit more 5000 sandpaper. So the thinking here is that the paint has plenty thickness, so it's healthy, but it was just completely hammered. And look at this side done. So it's more efficient to do it this way than sitting there with many different stages. This is coming phenomenal. I also did this panel. So yeah, one of those things that you want to deliver a good end result, and I feel that this method was faster, more effective. So here we are. Usually you charge a lot more for this type of work, for the wet sanding, but I did a flat feet, so I have to stick to that. But no, it will look very nice, and I won't compromise the surface, which is important. It is looking stunning. So no, we continue. Okay, moving along, AC kicking, feeling good. Little bit of tape. I don't want to scuff all these rubber pieces, then it's a lot of more work for me. Same with the sunroof. So condition here is the same as the hood. Let's get us the light here somewhere. Where's the light? The light don't lie. All already. So I'm gonna start with the roof, and the reason I start with the roof is so I don't touch this area after I'm done. So I started with the roof glass, the tail, then I do the side, the glass up to here, and then I cut it on panels. So that's one panel, the bumper is another panel, and so on. interior done. Swirl Remover Pro X and the boosted. Beautiful. Incredible shine, the carbon fiber. Getting ready to go outside. Hopefully I don't find any surprises. It look good here with the light, wheels, everything done. This thing just looks phenomenal. Okay, so outside we go. Let's see what we got. And there she is, all done. Came out beautiful. I just took it outside. I don't want to dry this thing nowhere under the sun. All corrected, wet sanded with 5000. Did the turbo wax Swirl Remover Pro X. A little bit of the compound in a few places here and there. And the boosted wheels and tires with the T2 and the wheel cleaner deluxe and the boosted. Oh, look at this thing. It came phenomenal. Beautiful, beautiful. All the carbon fiber. Interior all done. The carbon fiber as well. Everything and everything. Polish the glass, boosted on the glass. 900 horsepower. Super happy with this. I missed a little spot that I marked there. I go inside and touch that up. And under the sun. Beautiful, beautiful. That's a wrap on this one. Check us online, turbowax.com.